Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Bitcoin. Today we have Bitcoin update for 26 November. Yesterday was Friday, but we didn't see the market dropping, but we might be on the verge of actually dropping the market. So we are hugging, or we are really stuck with the resistance level right now. So it's almost like we're kissing the 10 EMA. So look at that EMA, the yellow line right now, and look at that pressure, huge pressure. So from here, today being Saturday and knowing the nature of Saturday, we're gonna have Bitcoin probably start to move all the way to again to the downside. So we still have a technical target to continue lower, so that's gonna be the top here to the bottom right there. Break out of that. This is the only pattern that I focus on. I'd really simplify things, and as far as I know everything about pattern trading, I think this is just a picture perfect pattern that has been made with several different retests and backtesting that has happened. Backtested right there, and boom, get rejection from here, and Bitcoin is an amazing trade. You are looking for an amazing trade with Bitcoin all the way down to nearly $12,000. Now, knowing the nature of Bitcoin, you just never know if they are still going to continue to, pump it back up to 17,000 as well, get rejected at 17K, and then finally move lower. So I don't know if this is going to be the only retest they're going to do, or are they going to retest the trend line again and again. They can still retest the trend line. They can still do something like wicks to the upside and then move lower. They're not going to give you a very easy trade, but if they do give you an easy trade this time, then enjoy that easy trade. Now I want to dive into the weekly because we are reaching at the end of the week, and we have this little bit of a pattern right there as a doji. So we have 1 day 17 hours to close the candle. And as far as I see things, if you come down to 15,480, which is very possible in the next 2 days, today and tomorrow, and you close below 15,000 and close in a red candle, then you continue lower, and next week you potentially continue all the way down to 12,000. Now I still I'm still waiting for that 8,000 levels, which is a technical target for Bitcoin, by the way. And once we reach to that technical target, by the way, I don't know if I ever mentioned this one, but on the weekly we probably do have a continuation pattern. Now for example, we had one right over there. Yeah, so we had this and we broke out of that one. When we broke out of this one, you went from there to there, and you take that trend line from there to there, and it popped down and went straight to the target. Okay, now we do have a very similar situation right now. So it's not only on the monthly, but even on the weekly, it shows you that you have this one bear flag, and that bear flag is actually in play. So we really need Bitcoin again to go above $26,000, and I think if Bitcoin ever makes it up to $27,000, I'm gonna have the vibe of Bitcoin bottoming out completely. That's where I might even say that, hey, that's it, that's the end of we're not going to go all the way down. So right now, checking the higher time frame is really important. So breaking out of here, you can see it even takes you down to 8,000 or 7,966, by the way. So that's your technical target. There you go. Okay, there you go. It's not me. This is a technical target out of the bear flag. So went down like this, moved sideways, broke down, boom, shows 7,000 to 8,000. And that's pretty much it for this update on Bitcoin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.